The Motorola One Zoom comes with a beautiful design. It features 4 cameras on the back, it features an AMOLED screen, and it comes at a super affordable price. Hello guys, my name is Vic with PhoneArena, and we got to spend some time with this brand new phone here at IFA 2019 in Berlin, Germany, and these are our first impressions. Now, the first and foremost thing you notice about the Motorola One Zoom is that glass finish on the back, which is really beautiful and different from most other phones on the market. It's a frosted glass finish, a matte glass, doesn't attract fingerprints as easily, so it looks clean, much cleaner than other glass finishes. It comes in 3 different colors, all of them look interesting, and Motorola says it uses 6 different layers. It's a very complex finish, but it looks nice. It has a slight gradient to it as well. And also on the back you have the camera module bulging out slightly, and this one is the highlight of this phone. It features not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 different cameras. You have the main one, you then have an ultra wide camera, you also have a 3 times telephoto lens, and you can use also a hybrid zoom to get up to 10 times zoom, and finally you have a 4th camera, which is the depth camera used for portraits and to get that better bokeh for those portrait images. The camera obviously is the big focus here. Motorola says that it has improved. It uses pixel binning with combining 4 pixels into one to get more light into the images even at night. It also features a dedicated night mode, which again allows you to get more light in those darker shots. But most of all, it has improved in terms of the zoom functionality, having that clean zoom and 3 times optical zoom with optical image stabilization with the dedicated telephoto camera is really something special. And then you can use hybrid zoom to get even more up close without losing much in terms of quality either. Now, the other thing that you notice about the Motorola One Zoom is that M logo on the back. It actually glows, which is really cool, and you can basically customize the way it glows. Imagine that you get a new notification, you have your phone laying on the table, face down, screen down, and this Moto logo will light up, which is a nice, really cool indication that you have a new notification. There is no LED light here on the front to notify you. Instead, you have the Motorola logo glowing on the back, and it also glows when you use the phone. You can set this in the settings. Now, interesting thing about the Motorola One Zoom is that it is actually not an Android One phone. It features a very clean skin similar to what you get on the Moto Z series, but it's not an Android One phone. Here you do get the Moto gestures. You have the double chop for the flash, you have the twist to quickly start the camera. These are really nice gestures, nice additions that Motorola brings on top of Android without making it too heavy, without slowing down the experience. So also on the bottom of the phone you will find the good old headphone jack. It's here along with the USB-C port, so you get both of them. And interestingly, the loudspeaker is on the top of the phone. So you have the loudspeaker on the top and you have a traditional headphone jack on the bottom of the phone. Our first impressions are that this phone runs really fast. Under the hood you have the Snapdragon 675 chip, which ensures really high-end performance, not quite on par with the flagship, but again the price also here is lower. In terms of screen, you have a beautiful AMOLED display here, and under the screen you have an optical in-screen fingerprint scanner, which we didn't get to test, but we will definitely do this in our full review that's coming up soon. Now, the display is AMOLED. It features very lush, vivid colors that look good. We like this screen at first sight. You can also select between 3 different color settings, and we use the vivid one. What else? It's a 60 Hz display, no fancy 90 Hz here. In terms of storage, you get 128 gigabytes on board, which is plenty, and there will be only one version of the Motorola One Zoom. This 128 gig storage is also expandable via micro SD cards. The other good news about the Motorola One Zoom is the battery size, which is 4000 milliamp hours, really solid battery size. So we expect to get a solid 1+ day performance out of this phone. The Motorola One Zoom is coming to Europe and the United States starting on September 5th for a price of around $430, which is very aggressive, very competitive. It undercuts devices like the OnePlus 7 Pro, obviously. It's not quite flagship grade, but you get great camera features, which is the focus of the Motorola One Zoom. You get the big battery, the clean Android experience, and of course you have this beautiful frosted glass design. Let me know what you think about this phone in the comments to this video. It was a pleasure talking to you. My name is Vic with PhoneArena. I'll talk to you next one, and stay tuned to our website www.phonearena.com for more coverage from IFA 2019.